So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Azhar Khan. This is my first video. Let's learn English with me. So I am going to give some tips in English. Why so many students can understand English but they cannot speak? Why it happened with us? So I want to give some example. If you go to gym 4 times in a week, you trains only your arms, you do not train your legs. After few months, what is going to be happen? The arms will become stronger, the legs will not become stronger. The same thing in English language. If you only listen English, you do not speak English, you cannot become fluent in English language. So there are some tips, so I want to give you. So if you follow that, you can easily speak in English. So when you have a first conversation with somebody, I know you are going to feel nervous and you are going to struggle to find out the right words. So if you stick with it, if you keep speaking, if you have a consistency, you can become fluent in English language. So there are 4 tips, 4 steps you have to follow. So I know there are some people in the beginning, in the moment, they will judge you, but don't think about those people. Don't think about grammar. You can worry about grammar later, but in the beginning, in the moment, the first priority should be speaking. So you have to speak and you have to more practice. So in the first step, what you will do, start from your daily routine. If you can speak your daily routine in the present, in the past, in the future, and then you will see yourself where I am making mistake. So if you can speak your daily routine in the present, in the past, in the future in a correct way, you can easily speak in English, and you can also make hypothetical story. So the second step, what you will do, then you have to read books every day for 15 minutes. It's enough for you. If you want to read more than 15 minutes, it's up to you. You can read it. It is beneficial for you. So and third step, what you will do, the third step, then you have to, like whatever you are doing in a whole day, like you are watching in your mobile phone, you have to watch in English content. Whatever you are watching in your mobile phone, you have to watch in English content. Like you like cricket, you can watch in English. So and then what you will do, then after that you will speak in English. You need to more practice, you need to speak. And then I want to tell one more point. While reading books, if you don't know what is the meaning of that word, you can note down on your copy, you can go and search on Google, you can find it, what is the meaning of that word. While reading books, you can enhance your pronunciation, you can enhance your vocab. So it is so beneficial for you. So that is the key you have to follow. In the beginning, you will face a lot of problem. I know there are some people, they will judge you. You have to try, let this go. If you will not think about of those people, you can easily speak. So that is the key you have to follow. If I hope you found this video helpful, I was able to motivate you. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend, and comment section into the comment box. And till then and bye, take care. I will meet again with new video. So thank you so much.